This is a brand new Jetson Nano Super. Almost 70 trillion operations per second, 25 watts, and $249. It runs everything that the HGX does, even runs large language models, and can't wait for all of you to try it. It's available everywhere, and it runs CUDA and cuDNN and TensorRT. You could create an agentic AI that reasons and plans. So you could use it for a robot, you could use it for a workstation. It's an incredible computer. What do you guys think?
What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justinpacete back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. As you can tell with the introduction of this video, it's going to be another Nvidia update. A lot of people are more skeptical as to how this could potentially affect Theta network, so we're going to dive into that news today. But before going on to that, we do want to mention for our today's sponsor, a new sponsor, Theta Forums. So just a quick message on that. If you're trying to find an area where you can discuss, find answers, provide questions for anything Theta related, and have a community be able to help you, Theta Forums is a place where you can go. You can see here, this is the questions that are currently listed. Going on to this registration link, you can sign up right here, username, password, and your email. Start your questions here, and if you're able to, provide some answers to help the community. Thank you, Theta Forums, for sponsoring this video, and now back to the video. If you're trying to find or be a sponsor on this channel, definitely reach out to my email. I'll put that down below in the description, along with my Elite Edge node and Theta Guardian node, if you want to stake those Theta tokens to the Guardian node or T-Fuel to the Elite Edge node, because either way helps out my channel, help out the Theta network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much T-Fuel passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop, Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta network, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. Going on to X for today's news, we're going to see here, Theta network posted, we are really excited about the John launch. More devices can perform complex AI tasks is only helpful to distributed edge network. While the individual John can perform the larger workloads that a typical edge cloud customer has, by aggregating them into their network, they can potentially be useful addition to the more powerful GPUs like H100s. This should actually be a synergistic with edge cloud. The $249 price point means that many more users can afford a device that they may be able to plug into the edge cloud. They're still investigating the compatibility now. So in the making of this video, and you can see this was posted on December 20th of 2024, that they aren't entirely too sure how this update will be affecting their platform altogether. I'm going to have some more information as to the potential that would this disrupt the network or not. So continue on to just a couple more things before the article. The manufacturing industry is going on a major transformation. The convergence of data analytics, artificial intelligence, robotics, the Internet of Things, computer vision, and edge computing is changing the way products are designed, developed, and delivered. When you click on this other post by Nvidia themselves, just introducing the next generation of workstations are boosting digital engineering with advanced CPUs, GPUs, and NPUs, reducing computation time and enhancing productivity. Read more to discover how these workstations can transform your workflow. For those who aren't really too tech savvy, workstations, I believe, to my own knowledge, is that it's just your own personal PC, because this is going to be running its own large language models that are capable, but it doesn't necessarily need edge cloud computing. There is the issue with this new update saying, oh, if the Nvidia, this new workstation doesn't need any kind of edge cloud computing, what's going to happen with Theta network? The other bigger infrastructures, to my knowledge, they're still going to need that edge cloud infrastructure, so they'll still be utilizing Theta networks edge computing. But with the newer ones, people are getting a little worried. But as you can tell with Theta's previous post that we just read early on, that it looks like there's still going to be some compatibility with Nvidia's new workstation PC here, as well as Theta's just regular infrastructure. The next gen workstations meet the need for speed. Just a couple things I wanted to highlight. Although there has been a shift to more users taking advantage of the cloud-based computing and applications, as well as high performance computing clusters and other options, engineering workstations still play a central role in design work. The AI PC also emerged as a new branding category, with a number of hardware vendors emphasizing their capabilities for supporting AI workflows and Microsoft Copilot. So just reinforcing saying that these workstations, these individual PCs, are going to be stronger, faster, so they don't necessarily need other type of edge computing. But at the moment of making this video, it looks like it's just going to be an independent source to to make any type of work that needs to be done without using any other additional resources, to my understanding. Nvidia supercomputers versus Theta blockchain AI is like champagne versus wine. They both can deliver and affect AI performance, but the approach, experience, and body impact are different. Both Nvidia and Theta AI play vital roles in advancing AI ecosystems. Nvidia's infrastructure can enhance the performance of Theta's AI's blockchain-based solutions, creating a synergy where Theta's decentralized tools leverage Nvidia's computational power for scalability and performance. The competition between the two, direct competition, is minimal as they operate at distinct levels. Nvidia focuses on hardware and centralized platforms. Theta AI emphasizes on decentralized application-specific solutions. Mitchell presented the hybrid future of cloud computing. While Nvidia's supercomputers dominate centralized AI solutions, Theta's decentralized approach can reduce operating costs and enhance accessibility. Combining these strengths in a hybrid system, centralized Nvidia hardware paired with Theta's decentralized blockchain AI could shape the future of scalability, cost, and efficient AI. And just repeating, saying that this new update with Nvidia, with this Nvidia Jetson Orin Nano Super, that it's just going to have that hardware, so saying that it's just the PC itself, it doesn't need the additional resources that Theta Edge Cloud is creating. But like Mitch said, that there's going to be a hybrid solution to their platform when it comes to Theta Network, so it isn't necessarily a direct competition to Theta's infrastructure. But a lot of people were a little worried when that post was announced, seeing that what is going to happen with Theta Network, what's essentially going to happen to their investments, what's going to happen to all the partnerships Theta's made. But it doesn't look like they're necessarily too worried. I mean, Theta Network, if Theta Network did not make any sort of announcement to this new update, I'd be a little more worried. But since they did, and it doesn't sound like they're too essentially like worried as to what this could possibly do to their own platform, I think Theta Network is going to do just fine, in my own opinion, based on what we are reading. Just another reminder that none of these videos are financial advice. Definitely do your own research before investing. I do want to go on to a couple more things before ending the video. This one going, how will Nvidia Jetson Orin Nano Super developer kit affect Theta Network? So hopefully getting a decent response, because it's been pretty reliable when it comes to using the generative AI showcases, although some of them I feel like is a little bit outdated, because when you ask certain questions about Theta Network, some of it kind of refers to the older informations before any of the updates were created. The Nvidia Jetson Orin Nano Super developer kit is a powerful AI computing platform that can be used to accelerate AI workloads, including those on the Theta Network. Here are some potential ways it could affect Theta Network. 1. Increase compute power. The Jetson Orin Nano is a powerful AI platform that can provide significant compute power for AI workloads. This could enable Theta Network to accelerate its AI-based applications such as video processing, rendering, and other tasks. Edge computing. The Jetson Orin Nano is designed for edge computing, which means it can be used to process data in real time at the edge of the network, rather than sending it to the cloud. This could enable Theta Network to provide faster and more efficient processing of AI workloads, particularly for applications that require low latency processing. Increase adoption. The Jetson Orin Nano is a popular platform for AI development, and availability could increase adoption of Theta Network among developers and enterprises. This could lead to a wider range of applications and use cases for Theta Network. Improved performance. The Jetson Orin Nano is a powerful platform that can provide improved performance for AI workloads compared to other platforms. This could enable Theta Network to provide faster and more accurate results for AI-based applications. And number 5, integration with the Theta Edge network. The Jetson Orin Nano could be integrated with the Theta Edge network, which would enable developers to use the platform to accelerate AI workloads and contribute to the Theta Edge network. Overall, the Nvidia Jetson Orin Nano Super developer kit has the potential to significantly impact Theta Network by providing increased compute power, edge computing capabilities, and improved performance for AI workloads. So going on to the generative AI showcase from Theta Network, saying they're not worried as to this new update for Nvidia. It looks like it's more of a positive type of update rather than a negative one, but put some thoughts and comments down below what you guys think about this update so far. These last two posts, it's just more for fun, so for those, it doesn't really necessarily relate to the specific video here with Nvidia, but just some other additional information. Just a couple things. The latest node update is now tracks Linux OS nodes, operating system nodes, pushing the active node count above 20,000. If you are not already running the node, you can start earning today, link here. Or if you want to stake your T-Field tokens to my Elite Edge node, you are more than welcome to. Or stake your Theta tokens to my Guardian node instead of updating this. But I guess if you want your own node, I feel like it's going to become more decentralized and helping out the Theta network. So that link is there. My nodes for staking are here, along with the addresses down below if you want to copy and paste it that way. Last but not least, one fun thing to mention here is Theta Network is trusted by leading academic institutions and enterprises. Learn about who's using the decentralized cloud for AI, media, and entertainment, here is their website link, and when you increase this image here, you can see all the other businesses, franchises, as well as educations that are using Theta Network's overall project. But I really am looking forward to the future of Theta Network. Thank you again for Theta Forums for sponsoring this video. If you're trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links that I post in this video, as well as staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node like I mentioned, or your T-Field tokens to my Elite Edge node. Addresses are down below, QR codes are here as you can see. Really am looking to the future of Theta and just hoping for the next update to be more influential to hopefully push the price through the roof that everybody is looking forward to for the year of 2025. But until then, until the next Theta video, until the next Theta update, it is your boy Justinpacete, so try to keep up. Hi, deuces.